Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 10 of Tekla Structures Construction Point Tutorial playlist. Now the next method to add the point is add point along tangent to the circle. Here it is asking to pick the center point, and after that we have to pick the point on the circle to define the radius, and after that we have to give the point of the line through which the tangent get create on the circle. So I'm giving this point, and after that finally we have to provide the point to set the side on which the tangent create on the circle. So if I want tangent in this way, then I need to give that point here. If I want tangent in this side, then I have to pick the point there. So I want to get tangent here in this side of the circle. So let's give the point anywhere and create the line by meeting this 2 point, and just increase little bit and control P. Now you can see here this is the tangent, and if we want to create this side, then same procedure we have to follow. Pick the center, pick anywhere to define the radius, then pick this point, and if I want the tangent in this way, then pick anywhere over here, meeting this point with the line, and this is the tangent. Let's measure 90 degree, 90 degree. So hence the proof this line is tangent on the circle. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.